Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to delete all of your photos and videos on recently deleted album all at once and individually. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, I'm gonna teach you how to delete it individually, okay? So just go ahead and choose the video or photo. And here at the lower part of your screen, you can see the delete option. So just go ahead and click on that. So it says that this photo will be deleted. This action cannot be undone. So if you are sure about that, just go ahead and click on delete video. So that is how you do it, or that is how you delete a photo individually. So now if you want to delete it all at once, just go ahead and click on the select option or button at the upper part of your screen. And here, just go ahead and click delete all at the lower left corner of your screen. So here again, if you are sure about your action, just go ahead and click on delete 3 items. So as you can see, your recently deleted album is now empty. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.